Hi, I'm attorney Kevin Glasheen with Glasheen, Weiss, and Enderman Injury Lawyers. We're here today with my partner Chad Enderman. Chad, we've seen a lot of cameras now in tractor trailers. What are you seeing out in the field?
We're seeing more and more cameras in these tractor trailers, which is a good thing because it gives us good evidence of what happens. It can show what the driver's doing, it can show what other vehicles are doing. It helps us really reconstruct the crash down to a very precise level.
And what happens when the drivers cover up these cameras?
Well, unfortunately, believe it or not, we see that quite frequently where the cameras get covered up, and that's so that these recordings that only get made in the event of a hard braking event or a crash don't tell on the driver when they're distracted or doing something dangerous.
Okay. Can you still use that evidence in those cases?
Sure. We get to talk about all the things that the driver was probably doing, so we want to know if it was covered up.